Hey again, we learned routing, pages, and layouts in the last couple of videos. Now let's learn error pages. By the end of this video, you will become an expert at creating customized error pages. Now that we know everything about layouts and pages, the last thing to learn about routing is error pages. If an error occurs during the load function of a certain route, SvelteKit will render a default error page. But you can customize this error page per route basis. So you can do this by adding an error.svelte file in the route where you want the customized error to appear. For example, let's create an error page in the portfolio route. In this error page, I am displaying that an error happened. I am displaying the status of the error, which is found inside the page store. So in every Svelte page, there is a store and it has multiple attributes. One of these attributes is the status and another attribute is the error field. And from the error field, we can get the message. So I am displaying the status and the description of the error. Now to see this page, we need to throw an error in a load function. So we already have a load function in the portfolio page. Here in the page.ts, instead of returning this, we can throw an error. We do this using the throw keyword and then an error, which is imported from SvelteKit. Then we give the status, which is 404 or whatever. We can put whatever status we want, and then a message not found, for example. Now, if you go back to the browser and access the portfolio route, you see that an error happened. The status is 404. The description is not found, and the reason is because we threw the error in the load function. However, if you go to home, there is no errors, so we don't have an error page because the error was thrown in a sub route, not in the home route. But if there is no error page in the route where the error was thrown, then SvelteKit will walk up the tree looking for the closest nearest error file it can find. For example, here the error was thrown in the page load of the portfolio route. So it will look for the nearest error file, which is here, the error in the portfolio route. But if there is no error here, it will walk up the tree. So it will go up one directory, which is the routes folder, which is the home route. But then if it doesn't find an error here in the home route, then it will render a default error page. And that's it for error pages. Now we know everything about pages, layouts, and error files. So with that, we completed the 3 videos about routing.